There are markings of L and R on the plastic parts. You can get a better understanding before installing. Cover the biggest slider. Cover the slider. Keep the flat side facing inwards until all the installation steps are completed. Cover the inner bottom sliders. Cover the inner top sliders. Adjust the orientation of the headphone arms until there is no gap between the sliders. Twist in the lower screws at first. Screw in the other 3 screws. Repeat the installation process for the other side.